AutoVac, we manufacture complete end-to-end vacuum systems for express car washes mainly. We really build them to withstand abuse because we all know that maintenance sometimes can be a challenge depending on where you're at, especially the multi-site operators. Well, AutoVac got started in 1989. It's a third-generation company. So my grandfather actually started making industrial vacuum systems back in the 50s. My father picked up that business and he was manufacturing vacuum systems for the dental industry. In 2004, we were able to purchase the business from my parents. We've built vacuum systems for multiple industries. The main benefit that we've learned in other industries is mainly the technology and how to operate the vacuums. Our Vacuum IQ system, which is our motor controls, was developed with Boeing Corporation. We've then adapted that to the car wash industry, and it's worked out rather well. We have about 60,000 square foot under roof. We're a full-line manufacturer, so all the way from a sand cast foundry for our aluminum M-bells, all the way to the raw steel comes in, and we have turret punches and lasers that cut the metal out, and then we form it and create the vacuum. We've got 14 welding stations. Every product that goes through the coating process is sandblasted, and then finally we finish it in a few large paint booths, package it, and send it off to the customers. We have some pretty stringent quality control processes. All of our welders are AWS certified, and we have 2 quality control personnel, and they're constantly checking quality and auditing certain lots as they're coming off of the production floor. Product development is mainly driven by our customers. Most everything that we've done or the innovations that we've brought on have been brought on by our customers. So there's 2 different parts to engineering. One is site design. So how we get the site plans from the distributors or the end users and how we design that site. On the product design for engineering, all of our site drawings that are done are actually like big instruction books. Going out to the distributor, they have a full plan all the way down to the part number and the nut and bolt on those drawings, so we really help them take them from the truck and get them installed. A maintenance training, we have a commissioning program that we go through with the distributors, so that way the end user benefits from having their staff trained to actually understand what needs to be looked after and what time intervals. It's the little things that we take into consideration. It goes back into the engineering, the types of components that we put in, the bearings that we use, all aluminum impellers that are different from the competition, and the little things add up to make a big difference. One of the main reasons why we chose to go with Sonnys was the people that are there, the people that are running that operation really fit well with the culture that we tried to have here at AutoVac. We like to have a lot of fun. I think the timing was right for us to join them based on the size that we were. We're looking to jump to that next level. Pretty much overnight, we're going to double capacity, so we're going to add some of the facets of second shift to that, so that way we can get double throughput, because we're going to have to build a whole lot more vacuum cleaners to support this larger endeavor.